Well, an operation of benchmarking. Let's first shoot down this pressure mark one by one after taking it off. Then this punctuation point coincides with this point of light. After they overlap, press the first button, press the first key, press the first button. It's a diagonal cross. Then press the second button again. Okay, then I'll check and let's check if the benchmark is the most correct. Come on, press that benchmark test. Benchmarking, yes, he typed when the bid arrived. The benchmarking here has been completed. Then to adjust the sensitivity of this power supply, it also adjusts its distance. It distance from a point of light. We unscrew this screw. You can adjust the front and rear. Well, let's talk about our function later. It's a fill-in starter. Benchmarking starts divided into startup, alarm, reset. It can perform these functions independently. Well, it's on and off. When you turn it off, it stops moving when it's automatic. You can fill this manually when you are in a manual state. Click again and it will be filled manually. I'm in automatic mode. There's a manual mode. There is also an automatic mode. Normally, when producing, it is a manual automatic mode. Click and it will work automatically. It works automatically. It's just a manual action. This is our debugging for calling the machine. There is also a supermarket inside. What about these supermarkets? Actually, we have all debugged these. This can be done without moving. And what we have to tune is one ultrasound time of it. That's one effect of that closer. It's sealed or sealed. It can't be sealed tightly. I just rely on this ultrasonic time to control it. It's just sealed. Then our ultrasound time is slightly cut it short and smaller. It turns out that the seal is not firm. We've been here a long time. Just make it bigger, make it longer. Well, and the tail you said you cut was uneven. You have to look at this cutter. What about this cutter? It's clinging to this mold. Then it cuts against the mold here. If it's a abrasive tool that is not pasted, it's uneven. We just go through these two screws. Here's one, and here's one through these two screws to adjust one of these knives flat. Well, look at that effect. How about the effect of sealing? Let's test it manually. Remember the cat, and then you click ultrasound start. Well, what about open it up? Open it and take a look at our effect. Did you see that? It's not sealed, is it? Then we have to control the operation time. Well, one operation, adjust it, one parameter. The operation time is 0.45, which is a bit small. Then set it to 0.8. Look again. Right, super injury. Then you can, and if you look at this, it's pretty obvious. It's an effect of a closer. There is another seal, then one is not sealed tightly. It needs to be controlled for a long time.
Here's a manual adjustment. Then you can turn it up a little bit. Then the stroke of its cylinder is a little higher. Then it comes out with a little more material. But first, how much do you give when filling? Then weigh it again. What about here? this is manually adjusted. For example, if your sensor is transferred here, then the stroke of his cylinder goes here, then he has 100 here. Then you can raise it further. That's probably 100 and a few, more than 100. This is how it is tuned. Loosen the screws in these two places next to it. Then you can manually adjust its rising height. Then after the feeding quantity is tried, then tighten these two screws.